Hey, guys! Today, let's learn how to view private Instagram account photos without following them. So if you guys want to go ahead and view those private Instagram account photos without following that person, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys, step by step, just how to basically do this. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. So if you guys want to go ahead and do this, it's gonna be pretty quick and easy, but we do need to just work around on, because on the current update of Instagram, there is actually no possible way for us to directly view the person's private account photos without following them. So if you want to basically hide your identity and not let that person know that you are trying to view their photos and videos on their Instagram account, even if they are on private, you could actually go ahead and create a proxy or an invisible Instagram account. Now to do so, all we need to do is long press on our profile pictures over here to create and adding new account. I would like you guys to proceed with creating your fake account, adding some information that could hide your identity and make it less obvious that it's you, and go ahead and try to follow that person and see if they will accept your follow request. Now doing so, if they will accept your follow request, that is gonna give you access to their profile and will also allow you to view their photos without necessarily letting them know your true identity, that you follow them, since you are using an account that is with a different name. So that is a one workaround that you could actually do in order for you to view their photos. Or one more thing is to actually try to view their Facebook account. Now, why, you may ask me question, why? That is because Facebook and Instagram are entry connected. Since they are under the same company, the person might be posting the same photos on Instagram, on the Facebook applications. If you do know their names on the Facebook obligation, you could always go ahead and tap on the Facebook app and search for their username on there and see if they have their photos or some of their photos, which is posted on their Instagram account, posted as well on their Facebook account. But those are just two ways to easily go ahead and discover and also know the person's private account photos. So please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learn something, and take care.